Bitcoin will be moving big within 12 hours from now on, and in this exact video I will talk about why we will move big today, and I will talk about the most important charts for Bitcoin right now, this exact retest that we're currently getting on the market, and much more important stuff we need to discuss right now. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we smash it back above 600? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term, where we can see that Bitcoin basically saw the breakdown below this very important and crucial green line of support. Ever since we broke below it, right now it looks to be flipping into resistance, and actually this level, we're about to have another retest of it. If we do break back above it, I think we are going to be re-entering this range where we were previously around consolidating in. So we could be expecting that Bitcoin is going to be consolidating somewhere between 29.8k towards 28.7k. So I'm going to keep my eyes closely open on this exact range right here as soon as Bitcoin do re-enters, or if Bitcoin is going to see a rejection. Of course, for the 4-hourly time frame, we can clearly see Bitcoin is right now consolidating in this 4-hourly consolidation phase. You can see it also on the daily time frame or in the 12-hour time frame. We are currently clearly getting ready for a gigantic move, and this gigantic breakout will be happening at least before the end of the week. And of course, today I am expecting huge volatility, and let me straight away explain why I am thinking so. So of course we can see this consolidation range, but also these red lines right here. These red lines are equaling the FOMC meetings, and every single time there is basically been an FOMC meeting, there's been huge volatility on the market, and especially also after the meeting we tend to see huge amounts of volatility enter the market. And to be very clear, in exactly 11 hours from now on, we will have the next FOMC meeting, and I will be live streaming this exact event on my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now, because I will be later today live stream this exact event for everyone out there. And of course, we're going to be expecting to have a 25 basis point hike, and the volatility is not really going to come from the interest rate hike. The volatility is going to come from what Jerome Powell is going to say. So make sure that you're going to be there tonight. There's going to be a lot of volatility, and it's going to be giving us a direction where the market is probably heading towards in the coming 4 weeks ahead of ourselves. Because yeah, it looks to be that this is going to be potentially be the last interest rate hike of this cycle, what is of course a very good thing. So maybe he's going to say some dovish things, and due to that it could cause of course a significant pump, or maybe he is going to say some hawkish things what could dump the market. So make sure to pay attention towards it right now here. This is exactly the event that will cause huge amounts of volatility, and maybe right now we could see a confirmation of the breakout of this consolidation phase after Jerome Powell is going to start talking. So yeah, if you want to be trading this, I will be looking to open up a live trade later tonight. So make sure to slap up the bell notification on the channel right now. I'm looking to be opening up a live trade tonight. I am trading on Bybit. If you want to be trading yourself as well, don't forget to check out the links in the description. You can actually claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. And without this link, it's only $4,000. So it's a win-win scenario. So make sure to check it out right now on the link in the description. We can also still see that we're creating a head and shoulders pattern here on the 12-hour time frame for Bitcoin. And right now we're creating that right shoulder, and the question really is, are we going to be breaking below this neckline right here? If we do break below this neckline right here, we're going to be in big problems. So yeah, that could also happen potentially tonight. So there's going to be a lot of volatility where we could be watching towards, and it could also clearly give us a trend direction where Bitcoin is heading towards next. So yeah, the head and shoulders pattern, definitely important one to be looking at. Of course, we can see on the daily time frame that Bitcoin is in a gigantic consolidation phase, and that we're expecting to see a breakout somewhere in the coming 10 days ahead of ourselves. Maybe already today, but at least in the coming 10 days ahead of ourselves. And of course, on the weekly time frame, to be very clear, the level to break is this weekly resistance. This weekly trend line right here is clearly being the level for Bitcoin where we got rejected from. And if we can confirm a break above this level right here, then I'm really expecting to see a bigger continuation towards the upside. So yeah, that is where I will keep all my attention towards. And as soon as we do break above it, that will be the point where I will be significantly flip bullish for Bitcoin. So yeah, that is what I will be looking at. But of course, today is the day where the FOMC meeting happens. There's probably not going to be a lot of volatility until the event is there. That is usually what we tend to see from of these meetings. So probably today is going to be a straightforward day. It's going to be a boring consolidation day. And until I go live tonight here, we're going to start seeing volatility for Bitcoin. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now here. I will be live streaming this event tonight, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.